My dad's trikes got broke in the middle of the road. Good thing we're not in the highway. He broke his chain. Need to replace the chain. Motorcycle chain. Ila? 400? 400 pesos for a new chain. We're in the road. Good thing not in the highway. That's dangerous. A lot of dirt. Nathan! Ano? We're still in the market. We're supposed to go home and my dad's trike got problem because of the chain. It loose. We're so heavy, I guess. So 400 pesos for a new chain. Higko sa ano siguro ron ho? Sa ano ho, diversion? Rapok sa diversion. That's the market, the blue color building. Rusco. When I get my driver's license, I want a Rusco. I want a Rusco van. A van Rusco. Kinchio, there's a dog.
Bracket.
Bracket?
Bracket siguro tawag na, no?
We also need to change this one. Mantig pila doon? I don't know how much is it. Abot ang bagayluhan. Pilang years nanda pa? Yung tricycle, motor? 2 years? This trike and the motorbike, it's already 2 years. Broken. Broken chain. It's a lot of work to be a mechanic. Oh, Nathan, the bag! Taos, chicken.
Arkanhel ka to.
Arkanhel.
Ato pa Arkanhel.
Ah. That's how they change the chain. Amazing. There's a car. May cars? Ay, liko man. Ay, third.
Ay, no?
Wa galiko. Galiko isa to. Ngani. Sumakto gid di karaya. Sa highway ay delikado. Bung gagagi.
Buhay kita kasi kaya
Ah. Nathan, ay sus agin inano na gagkit ket imong bibig ing ano Nathan. Nathan. Why did you slap yourself with that lollipop? You're sticky na. So why nagrasahan para ba? It's a lot of dirt. Tapos na?
Ilaw. Mura lang.
Yay, it's fixed. I don't know how much. Smooth.
Mayroon lang ito. Katong liver.
Pila doon?
Ang pila liver ko.
Car.
No.
Tan. I want to learn to be a mechanic, so I will fix the car or motorbike by myself. Wearing nothing. Joke lang. Suzuki.
I see some trees behind you.
Baligya ah. Nabaligya ron. Awa. Oo. Tapos nan? Dan? Ay, alin? Nathan? Kenji? Okay, we will pay now. How much kaya? Yun si mama mo. Charot. We're going na. So it's done. We're going home now. And I paid 400 for the chain, 110 for the bracket, and 90 pesos for the service. Their service. Service na to? Service charge? Service fee. Service fee. So total of 600. Hey, Philip, ibuyak. I asked Nathan what he wants to be when he grow up. And what's your dream? What do you want?
Astronaut.
You want to be an astronaut? He wants to ride in a spaceship. That's what he wants. He wants to go to Saturn. Ha? Ay, pagpagasolina lang, ginagay ka sa... Pagpagasolina lang, ginagay ka sa lang kuman. He wants to be an astronaut. My goodness. If you want to be an astronaut, I can't see you more. Because you're busy. What do you think?
Where are we going again?
No, I'm not going anywhere. Where are you going again?
Where are we going again, Mama?